Prepare the ingredients and boil the water. Prepare the equipment. Heat up the stove. Once the pan is heated up, put in your pasta. Once pasta is in the pot, put in your bay leaves, oil, and salt. Then add in the boiling water. Stir the pasta occasionally so all sides are cooked evenly.
Cut the chicken into strips and ensure that all fat has been removed. This ensures that there is no chunky parts of chicken inside of the pasta, and also means that the chicken will cook evenly on all sides.
Dispose of the fats after you've chopped up all the chicken.
Once the pasta has finished cooking, remove the leaves from it. Upon removing the leaves, strain the pasta in the sink. Rinse the pasta and allow it to cool. Add oil to the pan. When finished cutting the chicken, pour it into the pot and begin to cook it. Begin to season the chicken. Chop off the ends and cut it in half. Then put it in the basket to be washed. Slice the spinach into strips. Add veggies to the chicken.
Stir it in with the chicken and wait for it to cook until it softens, and then add the sauce.
Begin to dice the onion and then add it to the mix. Add the sauce. Add the pasta.
Plate it up.